Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by finger.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Excelcrop care. That is the name of the stock, and Excelcrop is the ticker name. That's what you can see here. And right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. Here you can see the price trend path of the stock along with the technical indicator graphs, a few technical indicator graphs that I am using to do the technical analysis of this particular stock. Here you can see RSI graph, MACD graph, momentum graph, ADX graph, money flow graph, along with other technical indicators like super trend, Darvas, moving average, 2050, zigzag, etc., etc. Now, if you look at the price trend path of the stock until 2013, stock is not moving much. I mean, either in the upward or downward direction, and only after April 2013, stock started moving in the upward direction, and it made its peak in November 2014, and after that, it went sideways up to up to June 2016, and again made a peak, and again moving sideways. Actually, there are two movements of this particular stock since 2013. One upward movement, one sideways movement, one upward movement, and the sideways movement. So now, if you go, there is a path pattern of the stock, and if you analyze on this one, or if you predict something, what is going to happen in the near future. So the next moment should be, as per the stock, as per the historical path pattern of the stock, it has to be an upward movement. Right now, some sideway movement is happening, and after this, once this sideway movement is over, then the stock has to go move in the upward direction. So this is the prediction, and now we will see whether the technical indicator graphs are also pointing in the same direction or not. Now, if you look at the RSI is about to the graph of the RSI. Look at the tip of the RSI graph. It is about to cross the top line, and it is about to make a nice slope there, which is a positive sign to what we had discussed here. And look at the MACD. MACD, the red line is on top of the signal line. Though the signal line is about to cross the red line here, that's what we can see. And look at the MACD. I mean, MACD historical this thing bars. The bars are populating below the baseline, not a good sign, and the bars are in red. That is also not bad. That is also not a good sign. So RSI and MACD both are throwing opposite signals. Momentum, if you look at the momentum graph, momentum is has just crossed the baseline, and it is looking in the upward direction, which is a good sign. If you look at the ADX, the direction strength of the stock is also increasing, which you can clearly see, and the green line is on top of the red line, and both are both are diverging. That is a good sign. Again, money flow is again is looking in the upward direction. That is also already reached its peak, and it is about to cross the peak, and going to make a nice angle there, nice slope there, and that is also a good sign. So except for MACD, remaining all technical indicators are showing throwing positive guiding points. So what I'm and the stock has already crossed its 20-day moving average, is playing on top of the 20-day moving average, and it is right now under the positive super trend influence mode. So all this based on all these points, what I conclude is this particular stock may move up after a few days, and right now this is the time to invest in this particular stock. If you stay invested in this stock right now, and then what happens is, once the positive movement, the upward movement happens, that time you will get benefited. So right now the stock is playing at 2015. This is the peak price of the stock so far. No, this is okay. The stock went up to 2106 also, 2106, nearly 2106. I mean, 100 rupees. Still, this is not a 2015 is not a peak price. Still, it can go up, and the stock may move in upward direction after this moment. So the conclusion is, this is the right time to invest in the stock. So that is the conclusion for the long term investment. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel.